Hey guys, my name is Andrew from Ecom Experts. As you already know, welcome back to another episode where we review Shopify apps so that you don't have to install them, clutter up your team, and then notice that app is not really what you hoped for. So that is why we give you a behind the scene look of it. We did a bunch of apps already, but this week we are doing volume and tier discount app. So the volume tier discount app, let's see at the stats here, has a 4.4 rating for 342 reviews in the Shopify store, which is really good. The app offers multiple discount types. It tells you that it's going to increase your average order value, which we did see with a couple of our customers already that tried it. There are two plans available, the free plan and the paid plan for $9.99 a month, but let's call it what it is, $10 a month. And the app promises creation of volume discounts on bulk quantity purchases in just minutes. So that's their promise. Let's see if that's actually true. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, do everything that tell Google that you enjoyed this content, so you give us a little bump and you help us build more Shopify app reviews. But let's dive straight in and see you on the other side. Volume and tier discount app has a 4.4 rating in the Shopify App Store based on 342 reviews. Not bad at all. Apps offer multiple discount types, increased average order value, and industry-leading support. Alright, so as always, simply download the app from the Shopify App Store, integrate it with your Shopify or Shopify Plus account, and you are golden. The app will sync all the data for you. Keep in mind that the process might take some time depending on your product list. But the great thing is that you will get an email as soon as the sync is done. We already did this step on our demo shop and we are greeted with this nice and clean design. It looks simple to navigate. There is a top navigation with offers, upgrade possibilities, display settings, and help if you need assistance. Speaking of help, if you click on the question mark located in the bottom right corner, you can pick one of the processes to update your Shopify team with the app's unique code. You can choose between auto installation, expert installation, or get the guide for manual installation. We will go with auto install and choose our team. Right here, after the installation is completed successfully, we can proceed and create our first offer. So let's click on the blue button that says create your offer. A new window appeared where we are going to create our discount offer. First step is to give our offer a name. Let's go with buy X, get percentage off. You can toggle status buttons from inactive to active. We will set it to active for now, and we want to show offer table on the product page for sure. The most important thing, price levels. Let's get creative and go with if you buy 2, you get 5% off, for 3, 10%, and so on. We are mostly developers, so please don't take our example. I don't set prices. On a free plan, you can only choose product as an object type, which is okay, I guess. This app offers you to filter products by title, vendor, tag, collection, etc. We will go with select all. Now we need to work on how our offer is going to look like. If you're a paid member, you can choose between grid and banner. And we're going to stay on the free plan because I'm cheap and choose grid. Our only option is detailed grid. Also, here you'll be able to set customer tags as well as preferred start and end date of your campaign. And now it's time to save this, so let's hit the submit button. Whoa, that was easy. Okay, let's see how it looks on our products. It looks good, doesn't it? We would like to customize it a little bit, so let's click on display the settings. First, let's change the minimum quantity text to number of products. Max quantity text, we don't need it. Minimum quantity before text, we will leave it as it is. Minimum quantity after text, let's see how it looks if we write get. Discount text is okay, and we will check the display, the values after decimal in the offer table. We will leave the fonts and sizes as it is and just change the discount text color to some blue shade. Let's leave advanced customization for some other time. What this app makes great is if you are a paid member, you can display bulk discount savings on the cart page, show badge indicator on the product list page, and show discount code box on the cart page as well. It is time to see the final result. Auto install again and then go to the products page. That is it. It's as easy as Hulkapps actually promised. Nice work, guys. We're in love with this app. Everything went smooth. Our offer is working and frankly, it looks good. This is not something that we are suggesting easily, but this app is worth every penny because you can offer a percentage based on the volume and quantity discounts, offer a dollar based on the volume and quantity discounts, create dynamic discounts for future products, create great for wholesale pricing levels. Wholesale is something we get asked about a lot, and it has an unlimited discount levels, and all of that without writing a single line of code. Frankly, really nice job, Hulkapps. Alright people, that was it for today. I hope you liked this review video. Again, please like, subscribe, and if you have anything to ask, just comment it. We will be more than glad to help out. This was our view of the app. If you have any Shopify assistance that you need for coding, we specialize in Shopify development at ecomexperts.io. We're your guy. Shopify Plus and app development are our main things. We're your guy, but don't hesitate if you have any questions, and see you next week for another app review video. Cheers, guys.